Welcome back. You now have a whole toolbox of views and multiple ways of laying them out with linear layout, relative layout, or any of the other views from the documentation. You can use the layout editor or work in XML, whichever suits you and whichever is more efficient. I mentioned constraint layout earlier. Constraint layout is where the layout editor really shines because keeping track of constraints in code becomes pretty challenging without a visual representation. Just look at this code. Layout constraint top to bottom of. That's pretty complex looking. So to define constraint a bit more formally, a constraint is a connection or alignment of a view to another UI element, to a parent layout, or to an invisible guideline. Constraint layout has some clear advantages, such as you can make it responsive to screens and resolutions. It usually results in a flatter view hierarchy. It's optimized for laying out its views. It's freeform, that is, you can place views anywhere on the screen and the editor helps you add constraints. To be honest, it also has some challenges. Figuring out the correct constraints may take some experimenting. Even though you could build pretty much any layout with constraint layout, it works best when you have to arrange a small number, say less than 15, of elements, or multiple view groups in a complex layout. If you want to learn more, there is a link in the notes. So the app we are going to build has a screen that resembles art by the artist Pete Mondrian. Okay, that vaguely resembles art. But unlike visual art, it's interactive and could be the beginnings of a game. We're only getting started, and then you can finish your artwork on your own and make it a lot more artistic. Let's get creative.